So let's start the chapter about article. What is article? Article, there are two types of article, definite or indefinite. So in this chapter we will study about these articles, indefinite articles a and an. Garv, listen carefully.
Yes, ma'am.
And the definite article is the. So article means, write down in your notebook. Article means, write down, Harsh.
एक सेकंड में नोटबुक लेकर
आर्टिकल, गिरी रख के क्यों नहीं बैठते हो नोटबुक वगैरह, क्लास छोड़ के भागते हो. Article means which definite the meaning of the sentence, which definite the meaning of a sentence. So in this chapter we will study about the uses of the, a and an. So the is the definite article. You have to draw a diagram. You have to draw a diagram. You write down article and then like this, definite or indefinite. Indefinite you write down the and indefinite a or an. Okay?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Have you understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So these are the uses of the, these sentence. Vinay, speak French very carefully. So Karina wants to learn the French language. We don't use the before and names of language. We used. Karina wants to learn the French language. We don't use the before the names of the language. So there is no need the use of the before the names of language when used as noun. When the word for a language is used as an adjective, we use the. When the word for a language is used as an adjective, we use the. We don't use the for means of travel. Means there is no need to use the for the means of travels. We don't say by the air, by the train, by the road. We say by air, by train, by road. So this is the correct way, by train, by road. Not need to write down by the air, by the train. Okay. So for example, we are going to Puri by train. This is the correct example. Mia enjoyed traveling by road. However, when we wish to be specific, we use the. When means we wish to be specific for a special reason. For example, Rita will be taking the direct flight to London from Mumbai. The direct flight to London from Mumbai. We don't use the before the names of the sports and games. So there is no need to use the before the names and sports. For example, Bina and her friends play badminton. Bina and her friends play the badminton is the wrong way. So Bina and her friends play badminton. We don't use the before the names of the meal. There is no need to use the before the names of the meal. For example, Rahul has dinner at 8 p.m. every day. Next is, we don't use the before plural nouns used as a class. Before plural nouns used as a class. For example, the tigers are ferocious animals. So this is wrong way. Tigers are ferocious animal. This is the right way. Okay, there is no need to use the before tigers. Next one is, we don't use the before uncountable nouns. Do you know uncountable and countable noun? Countable,
No, ma'am.
which is count, which noun are counts, and uncountable, which doesn't count, which have a journal meaning. Uncountable nouns which have a journal meaning, we don't use the. For example, glass is very fragile. There is no need to use the before glass. Glass is very fragile. When a school, college, hospital, church, court, etc. are visited or used for their primary purpose, we don't use the. Means before these words, we don't use the. Harish went to college after finishing his schooling. Harish went to college after finishing his schooling. Okay, have you understood? When these places are visited for other purposes, we use the. And these places for other purposes, we use the. Mother went to the college to meet the registrar. Means other purposes के लिए हम use करते हैं there. So this is, we use the. Mother went to the college to meet the registrar. So have you understood where we use the and where we not use the? So these are the uses of the with example. Okay. So you have to write down. Everybody has book?
Yes.
Parth,
Yes, ma'am.
do you have book? Okay, so everybody has note down the uses of the
One
with
minute.
example. This one example. With example, we you write down the uses of the. Okay, I think there are 10-15 uses around something, and you fill up the exercise in your book, not in notebook.
Yes, ma'am.
Have you understood what I am saying? You
Yes,
write
ma'am.
down the uses of the in your notebook and you fill the exercise in your book. Okay, I will send you the PDF of all and uses and exercise also. So you have to fill in your book. Only exercise and uses you have to write down in your notebook. Okay. Repeating the. Where we repeat the? This sentence, definite article the is repeated. The poet and painter waved to his fence. The poet and the painter waved to their pens. In the first sentence, the poet and painter refer to one and the same person. Therefore, we use the only ones. Okay, have you understood? In first sentence, the poet and painter are the same person. So there is no need to use the before painter. And in second sentence, the poet and the painter, there are two persons. So we used the with the poet and the with the painter.
Okay, ma'am.
In the second sentence, the poet and the painter refer to different people. Therefore, we use the before each of the nouns. Similarly, we repeat the when two or more adjectives qualify different nouns. Similarly, we repeat the when two or more adjective qualify different nouns. Means two persons, two adjective qualify different noun. We repeat the. And when the same thing is repeated, then there is no need to repeat the. Okay. So you have to write down this uses also. Okay. Mark in your book. Second one is when two or more adjectives qualify one noun, we use the only before the first adjective. What is this? When two or more adjectives qualify one noun, two or more adjectives qualify one noun, we use the only before the first adjective. We use the part. For example, Garima still has the blue and the white dress. So this is the same dress for Garima. Garima still has the blue and the white dress. Both are dress has Garima. So the is used with blue and white dress. This means that Garima has the dress which is both white and blue in color. Garima still has the white dress and the blue dress. We use a, an, or the before each noun or adjective to show different characteristics of the same person or thing. We use a, an, or the before each noun or adjective to show different characteristics of the same person or thing. For example, Varun was a cricketer, a debater, a monitor, and a responsible student. So these are the qualities of one person, Varun. That is Varun. But we use a with his specific quality. A cricketer, a debater, a monitor, and a responsible student. The stately, the grand, the magnificent statue was admired by one and all. So these are the qualities of a statue: stately, grand, and magnificent. So the is used with every quality: the stately, the grand, the magnificent. Statue was admired by one and all. Have you understood the uses of the? So this is the exercise
Yes, ma'am.
related to uses of the. These are the exercise. We will send you the PDF. So you have to fill in your book. Or those who have not purchased book, please purchase the book. Otherwise, you haven't understand anything. Okay. So these are the exercise from the this is the exercise, and this is also correcting the errors in the use of articles. Okay, first one is there here. Do you like to travel by the air? So correct answer is, do you like to travel by air? By the air is wrong. By air is correct. Okay. Next, the gold ornaments are very expensive. So gold ornaments are very expensive. The is not there. Gold ornaments are very expensive. Every student enjoyed magic show that was organized in the school last week. So right answer is every student enjoyed the magic show. We use the before magic show. The magic show that was organized in the school last week. Okay. And this is the exercise of use of fill up with a, an, or the to complete the passage. Put a cross if no article is needed. Miss, no article is needed, put the cross. Varun was returning home from the office. First one is done for you. He was driving cautiously along an uneven road. The sun had set and dark clouds were gathering in the sky. He thought there would be the heavy downpour soon and wished to reach a home before that. Suddenly, a car came too. There is no need to write down A and the, so we mark here cross. Stop and wouldn't start. Varun looked around and saw a faint glimmer of the lights in the distance. He decided to ask a pupil in the house for help. There is no need to article, use the article. Started walking at the fast pace, and by the time he reached a house, he has completely drenched. He gathered the courage and knocked at the door timidly. So these are the exercise. I will send you the PDF. You have to write, fill in your book. And what have you written in your